Hello, a warm welcome from Decipher Sociology. Today we are going to talk about a new mentorship program that we are launching. The target year is 2026. Those who are writing this year, if they want, they can join us for guidance, and the programs for the year 2025, that is this year, will be launched in a few months. Those aspirants who are perhaps new to sociology, or those students who have studied sociology but they still need guidance for this optional in their civil services journey, they may approach us with any kind of query that they have. The name of our program is Sociology Mentorship Program, or SMP 2026. We hope that this program helps you in learning, unlearning and then relearning sociological concepts. Why did you choose sociology? This is a question that most of the aspirants face, and many times they are in a dilemma. If you have chosen sociology and you are still finding it a bit confusing regarding this decision, please understand that this optional is going to help you not only in your essay topics but also in covering GS concepts. So, sociology overlaps with a number of subjects in the civil services examination, which is why it is a preferred optional by science as well as humanities background students. Many of you may not have started studying your optional. Perhaps you are waiting for the right time, or you have postponed the preparation to post prelims. And when this course is coming up now, you might be questioning whether this is the right time to start the optional, or you might be thinking that perhaps it is a bit early. On the contrary, this is the right time to start your optional, because now you can study your optional along with general studies subjects. You will have a proper planning, and not only will you be able to cover the basics, but you will also be able to cover current affairs, and you will have ample time after the completion of the static and dynamic portions to write answers. Writing answers is necessary for this exam, although you may have heard of students who have cleared without writing many answers. Perhaps they have simply revised again and again, but you may not know how their writing journey has been. Maybe they have been writing before they began their civil services journey. So, if you have not written, or you are not in the habit of writing or expressing yourself, then it is advisable to spare some time for answer writing after the completion of your syllabus. If you haven't gone through the syllabus, or you are not aware of the study material, please do not worry, because although the study material is ample. There are plenty of study material in the market, but only a few books have to be chosen and you have to stick to them. You have to complete the syllabus and you need not get distracted by the other study material which is available in the market. So, you need to start now so that you can finish the syllabus early. During this process, you have to be very consistent so that you can complete the syllabus in the minimum time. You will have to read a lot because you might require 2 readings of the study material. You may also have to write simultaneously, perhaps in the form of brainstorming, and revision can take place either with the help of the micro notes that we provide, or if you want to rely on your own note making, that is also fine with us. And after this completion of syllabus, you will be ready for mock tests. Usually an aspirant asks, how many hours do I need to devote? Please understand that the starting point or starting journey will be difficult because you might not understand this subject, you might not understand the terms or sociological concepts. Therefore, in the beginning, you may take, let's say, 5 hours. With time, as you gradually become accustomed to the different jargons, you might take 3 hours, and then finally, when your preparation is going smooth, only 1 hour daily. As a sociology student, you may ask us, what should be the areas where you need to focus? First of all, be prepared that you will have to understand and perhaps memorize the definitions of different sociological concepts. Some of them are given in the syllabus. These terms will be simplified in any dictionary, and as you try to understand their meaning, you will find them simple enough. With time, as you read on, your collection of sociological words or your sociological vocabulary, it will keep on increasing because newer terms will get added. In civil services journey, you are expected to master critical analysis, and this applies to sociology too. Once you learn how to critically analyze different social issues, social phenomena, you will be able to apply the sociological perspectives because you will be able to write and understand the pros and cons of different perspectives. You will not be biased, but you will be a balanced sociology student. How will the mentor help you? This could be your doubt. In your journey, there are mainly 2 pillars which are the foundation. First one is related to revision. Sociology requires a lot of revision, but there is a trick. Each revision should simplify and reduce the concepts, the thinker's perspectives to be revised. This can only happen when along with your notes, you have a visual image in your mind, because this will drastically reduce the material to be revised and you will be able to recall very fast. This will be aided by the mind maps, the micro notes that we are going to provide for the thinkers portion. Also, many times a student finds it difficult to decipher the examiner's point of view and how to answer a particular question. The mentor here will help you break down the keywords of the question, simplify it, and then aid you in writing the correct answer. The answer approach will be provided to you regularly. You may ask, what will this course include? This course will include mainly 3 kinds of help. First will be in the form of lectures on the syllabus, that is papers 1 and 2. We believe that both should be studied in correlation, in interrelation with each other. In sociology, the answers are incomplete without their jargons and without the thinkers. Without them, they will be like a GS answer. We will help you include these in your answers. And once we believe that you are in a position to write answers, we will also be helping you in writing the quizzes. The quizzes will be for the static portion as well as current affairs. This is a rough schedule that we will be following. We will have lectures 3 days a week, that is on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Micro notes will be provided monthly and we are going to continue it till your mains examination. Every 15 days we are going to take tests or quizzes and we will encourage you to express yourself and be habituated to answer writing. The duration of your course will be starting from May till your mains examination. From May to August, we will focus on completing the papers 1 and 2. September to November, we will write answers, half length as well as full length tests, and December onwards we will be focusing on the current affairs analysis. The study material that we will be giving you will include current affairs analysis, micro notes of thinkers as well as other concepts, and answer structures. These will include the past year's papers plus some questions that we are going to frame, especially related to current affairs. Lectures are important because they help us interact with the students. We will have live Zoom sessions as well as some kind of explainers or concept related or doubts. We will also have recorded clippings. Apart from that, you are welcome to contact our mentor either through message or one-to-one call. You may ask us if the mentor will be available once the course is complete. Of course, the mentor will be available till your mains, that is 2026. The mentor will be guiding you. They have written mains with sociology. They scored 280. They have been teaching since 2019. So, you can approach them personally and they will help you with your doubts. Here we sum up the functions. They will help you interrelate concepts, and because sociology means we are seeing the whole picture, so this picture will be provided by your mentor, and they will also encourage you to think upon or brainstorm on these topics. These will help you revise your optional and also apply while answer writing. Now the question is before you. Do you have what it takes to win the game? Are you an active learner? Are you ready for critical analysis of different sociological phenomena? Do you work hard? Do you think you can complete the assignments? Are you disciplined enough? Can you conquer the distractions which are in plenty, and which is the most important battle that every aspirant fights? Do you have what it takes? If yes, we welcome you for the journey ahead, and together the mentor and the mentee, they will surely bring good results, favorable results, results which will make your near and dear ones proud. If you are willing to join this mentorship program, or if you have any queries, please contact us on Telegram at Deciphering Sociology. If you want, you can email us decipheringSociology@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp us on this number. The fee details are given below. This is for one-time payment. If you want to pay all the amount together, and this is for those who want to pay it in 2 installments. This is the first installment amount. The steps below for enrollment are given below. Please text us for the QR code. Share the payment screenshot, including your name, email ID which is working, phone number which is working. Provide us these and you will be enrolled to our program. Try to enroll before 3rd May, because we are starting in 2 weeks, that is on 5th May 2025, and the clock is ticking. Your decision timing starts now. All the best and happy journey. Thank you so much.